Hi, I'm Joost and I'm here in the studio right now with my Andoer softboxes, and let me see if I can show you them a little bit here. So here's one, and I have two of these at the moment. So here they are. So they give off quite some light. You can change how high you want them quite easily with this extension pole system, which is quite handy. And you can change the colors a little bit if you want with this remote. Or you can do that just with the clicker here in the extension cord. So I can change, turn it off again and then on. You get a little bit of a softer color. You can turn a little bit yellowish, a little bit bluish, and then back to like a daylight setting. And these are pretty easy to set up. You get a cool carrying bag with it, so you can take this anywhere with you, which is also quite handy. And these softboxes are attached with a little Velcro and then wrapped around the sides, so this is pretty sturdy right here. And you can take this with you and set this up in a matter of minutes. So that's also quite useful. So these are the 2800 to 5700 kilowatt lamps. 85 watts. You can get them in different sizes and also in different packages with 3 or more lights. I just have the 2 because I just need a little lighting from the side. When I'm doing my videos, I have a big light in front of me, so that also brings in the light. So I always have set up with 3 lights. So these are pretty easy to use, very easy to take with you, and I really recommend them for anyone looking to get some studio lights with a cool softbox.
Okay, today we're checking out the Torjim Softbox Photography Lighting Kit 16-inch by 16-inch professional softbox lighting kit with 85 watt, 3000 to 7500K LED bulb studio lights for photography, video recording, live streaming. Carrying case, bulb, there she is, tripod, and there's the body. So pull on this here, locks it into place. Get the bulb screwed in. The diffuser, it's got little Velcro pieces sewn into the edges of the diffuser, right side out. Get this Velcroed on. Looks like it fits on there pretty well. Go ahead and put this down on top of the tripod. It's got the double adjustment for directional pointage. And we'll get powered up. Here we have the remote control. Batteries not included. AAA batteries. And on off. Nice. Brighten up, brighten down. Warm. Ooh. Cool. Mode. Okay. Nice. Pretty slick little remote. It's got a nice color to it. And overall, very simple. Seems reasonably well made for the price point. And some good control over it with the remote. So there you have it, the Torjim Softbox Photography Lighting Kit, 16 by 16 with 3 different light quality settings and the remote control.